The ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5060 Ti promises impressive performance for gamers and creators alike, but is it really worth the purchase? Stick around. At the end of this video, we'll tell you why it might be smart to wait a little longer. The ASUS Prime features a clean, matte black design with sharp lines, perfect for low-key builds. The 2.5 slot form factor with triple axial tech fans ensures efficient cooling even in smaller cases. ASUS's Auto Extreme technology guarantees high build quality and long-term durability. Compared to the TUF series, the PRIME line looks more understated but certainly doesn't sacrifice performance. Key features and benefits: DLSS 4.0. The latest version of deep learning supersampling boosts frame rates while maintaining visual fidelity. AI performance. With 772 TOPS, the card isn't just for gaming. It's well suited for AI tasks and content creation. Efficient cooling. The triple fan design and premium components keep temperatures under 60 degrees Celsius even under load. Quiet operation. Thanks to 0 decibel technology, the fans remain off under low loads for near silent performance. Compared to the RTX 4060 Ti, the 5060 Ti delivers noticeable performance gains, especially thanks to the larger 16GB VRAM. While it doesn't match the RTX 5070 in raw power, its price is more appealing for most users. AMD's Radeon RX 7600 XT offers similar performance but only includes 12GB of VRAM and lacks DLSS support. At an MSRP of $429 approximate 479 euros, the ASUS Prime RTX 5060 Ti delivers solid value for gamers looking for high resolutions and future-ready performance. That said, upcoming models or price drops could make this card even more attractive down the line. Curious to learn more? Check out the Amazon link in the video description for the latest deals. The ASUS Prime RTX 5060 Ti delivers impressive results in today's games. At 1080p, most titles exceed 100 FPS. At 1440p, you can expect a stable 80 to 90 FPS. Even in 4K, the card holds its own, especially with DLSS 4.0 enabled, delivering playable frame rates. Want more performance tests? Be sure to subscribe to our channel for additional reviews and benchmarks. The ASUS Prime stands out with solid performance, efficient cooling, and future-proof VRAM. However, upcoming models or discounts may make the card even more appealing in the near future. Want to learn more? Click the Amazon link in the video description, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments.